So in order to fix problems with the dome, the round drywall dome, lots of plastered dome, we had a leak on the roof and pieces fell down to the stairs. And I'm sorry about that, backlighting's probably ruining the video. So we're up in this dome. First we had to build scaffolding that is done very carefully on the stairs. I'm going to show you another picture when I get down of the scaffold build. Make sure you got more than one person to put it together. But what was happening, and I'll show you another picture of the dome from down low too. There was a roof leak. It's since been fixed, but over time the plaster work started coming off on the dome. So the way to fix that is you got to gain access to the dome, and then I'm going to use a trowel to put the mud on there. It is round, so you wouldn't want to use a square putty knife. At the same time, this plaster job was ruined by water, and now it's dried out. So in order to get new mud to stick, we're going to have to glue that first. Even Elmer's glue will work, but I got some good bonding agent that we use to mix concrete and plaster with. So I will use the bonding agent and a brush, and I will put that on there first. Then we'll come back and put the mud on there with a trowel. So let me show you what it looks like from down low, guys. So if you put the mud on there a couple of times, you should build it out with the end of a trowel. And you know, I got it built out pretty good so that it's very necessary to sand it if you don't get it smoother. And so this is the second layer of mud. The first one's set up, and I went ahead and hit it the second time. The next part is maybe hang a curtain, a plastic curtain, and sand that down smooth with the rest of the dome. And we'll be able to take down the scaffold and clean up. I hope that helps. If you got a job like this, it's just that 90% of it is access. Okay, another thing to keep in mind, if you're going to work in somebody's house, you gotta cover up for dust. So in order to shape the dome, it's gonna need to be sanded. We've already put the mud on the bad spots where it was a leak, and that is cured now. This is the next day, and I am coming through with plastic curtain and getting ready to sand and shape that nice and round. But that was an important aspect. And of course, you gotta be real careful in a setting like this. When we take the scaffolding down, we just one piece at a time, very slowly. We don't so much as nick that chandelier right there. We don't so much as nick the flooring. And there'll be some good cleaning going on when we get done. So it's really important to take extra time to mask and protect. Getting ready to take it all down, then we will clean up. And this is the finished product. Dome back in shape.